In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare staking rewards inside Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on both the website and the mobile app to understand APY, track your returns, and make clearer comparisons between different staked assets. Let's start with navigation. If you're on a browser, open your portfolio and head to the staking section. Depending on your layout, you might also see this under Earn. That's the hub where your staked assets and potential opportunities are organized. On the Coinbase mobile app, tap the Earn tab. If you don't see it, go to My Assets and select a staked asset from your list. Either route brings you to the same place, a focused view of your staking rewards. From here, drill into individual asset rates. Pick a token like ETH, SOL, or ADA to see the specific APY for that asset. This is your go-to snapshot for comparing estimated annual returns. And a quick note around how APY is calculated. Coinbase looks back at recent performance using the last 7 days for Ethereum and roughly 30 to 60 days for most other assets. Because of that, APY can shift over time as network conditions change. Right around now, if you want to follow along, you'll find the official website link and the download link for the mobile app right at the top of the description. Use those to get to the correct dashboard quickly and safely. Next, analyze reward trends for each asset. When you click into a token, you'll see today's returns and all-time returns. Today's returns give you a sense of the daily pace, while all-time returns show how your staking has added up since you started. This is especially helpful for spotting which assets are steadily performing for you versus those that are more variable. Keep compound potential in mind as you compare. Rewards are typically paid in the same token you're staking. That means your holdings can grow in token terms, and if the market price of that token rises, the dollar value of those rewards can compound more meaningfully. Remember though, that price moves can also go the other way, so review both APY and price behavior together. Finally, factor in fees. The APY you see is already net of Coinbase's commission, so what's displayed is your estimated take-home rate. When comparing assets, you'll often notice Ethereum's yield is generally lower than some other proof-of-stake tokens, but it may offer different risk and liquidity characteristics. That's it for comparing staking rewards inside Coinbase. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.